Hey guys, so you may have seen all over social media something going really wild right now. It's called Dubai chocolate. And it's chocolate made locally in Dubai, usually with pistachio, and it's dripping out, and all the images and videos, it's just chocolate is just leaking out, the pistachio is leaking out. Well, I actually got a bar. Now, keep in mind, the original brand that started it was something called Fix Chocolates, but I couldn't find it. I looked everywhere, every mall, every store I could find. I asked online, and I was at one mall and I was walking through the food court and I saw a bunch of different chocolate sellers, and it was like a food court. And I came across one chocolate person and they had this. It's Dubai chocolate and the special part of the Dubai chocolate, by the way, I forgot to mention this, is the fact that it has kunafa. The pistachio is nothing new. Chocolate pistachio is nothing new. It's mixing the kunafa with the pistachio. So this bar cost me something around maybe $30 for one bar. And inside one bar, let me see how many grams this is, 190 grams. Okay, so now the magic moment. Let's crack open one piece, and here you're gonna see, oh, the pistachio. Now, this has been sitting around for a week. When I saw them at the mall, it was actually like leaking out. So granted, for about a week or so, I'd had it in the drawer, but let's try it. Oh my God. It's so good. Okay. Milk chocolate, pistachio, and there's something crunchy in it, and I think the crunchy part is actually the kunafa, because there's almost this light spice flavor, and I think that is the kunafa. Oh, take a look at it. There it is there. Again, I've had it sitting in the drawer for a week, so probably it should be like a little more creamy, but that's okay. Guys, awesome. And I highly recommend, if you're in Dubai, get this Dubai chocolate. I'll put in the description where I found it. Ciao.